Hello, my name is Ben, and in this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to give you a quick overview about my Zazzle sales. So as you might know, I'm trying to scale my business fast, my print-on-demand business, and I'm using an automated upload tool which is called Flying Upload to upload to various different marketplaces. And, most of my sales I generate on Amazon KDP, Amazon Merch, and Spreadshirt. But, because I create these designs anyway, I try to upload to other platforms as well, such as Shirty, Fine Art America, Threadless, and also Zazzle. And it's not more work for me because I just upload them via the upload tool. So that is the reason why I upload to Zazzle as well. At some point in January, I started to see my first sale on Zazzle, and I was really happy. And since then, my sales have grown. So I've now in total achieved 10 sales. As you can see, the margin isn't great, or the profit isn't great. And the reason for that is that my first sales, I only had a profit of 7.5%. This was a margin of 7.5%. And this is not high, obviously, but I set it quite low in the beginning. To be honest, I can't remember why that was the case. I think I just wanted to see if it's actually selling. And I think the standard, and I might be wrong, but I think the standard was set at 5%. And I can't remember if the standard was set in Flying Upload in the tool or if that was on the Zazzle website. But anyway, since so I increased that to 7.5% in the beginning. I think then I increased it to 10%. It's currently at 12.5%, and I still see sales coming in. So what I'm going to do now, I think I'm going to increase it either to 15% or actually 20%. Maybe I'll do 15 first, and then I'll go up to 20 if I see more sales coming in. And, the sales aren't great, but at least, after just a few months of being actually in print on demand, I'm quite happy to see these sales anyway, because every sale counts and every sale tells me that I'm on the right way, that it works. And obviously the more designs I upload to Zazzle, the more sales I will see, because it's compounding. It will just add on to each other. And the designs that I've uploaded already, well, they will stay online, and then I'm just going to add to them while I upload more designs. Zazzle in itself, I think it's if you're uploading manually, I've actually haven't done it. It works a bit different. I've tried it, I think, very much in the beginning, but it took quite long. So since then, I've always uploaded automatically via Flying Upload, and it works because the whole concept of Zazzle, I think, works a bit different. The uploader works a bit different compared to, for example, Redbubble or Spreadshirt. I think it's a bit more complex. You can do more things. They also have an own t-shirt generator on the website, I think. And they have personalization options or customization options as well. And I actually haven't really looked into the manual upload process. But the sales suggest that, it might be worth looking into Zazzle just as a Redbubble alternative or Merch by Amazon alternative. Because, 10 sales is not, it's actually quite significant. I mean, considering I've only really started a couple or 3 months ago in print on demand, and I have most of my designs I've got on Redbubble and Spreadshirt. I don't have that many on Zazzle because the upload process, even with the upload tool, it takes quite long. And one reason for that is that they have, after every few designs that you upload, you have to confirm the that you're basically not a robot. So, you might know it from other websites where you get this, several images to click on just to prove that you're not a robot. And the guys from Flying Upload, I think they offer a tool that you can basically surpass that as well and get it automatically filled out by a robot. But I haven't bought that. I'm not subscribing to that. I just use the upload tool. And whenever I see these images popping up, I'm just going to click through them. And it works, and basically it's running many hours per day, the upload, and it seems to work. I mean, I see some sales coming in, and hopefully further along my journey, I will see more sales. And, it's not the main a main platform for me where I really generate a lot of sales on it. But, if I do the uploads anyway, why wouldn't I do it as well? And I know there are, at least from YouTube, I know that there are quite a few people who make quite a bit of money on Zazzle. So I think it's a platform with potential. It works a bit different to the other platforms. They also have a so-called Z rank. And I think this Z rank, it basically determines how high you rank in the search results. And they tell you the different aspects which influence that rank. And I think this ranking system isn't live yet, but it will be apparently in the near future. At least that's what they say on the website. And I think also there is an upload limit, a total upload limit. So I think you can only have, it's quite a lot actually. I think you can have 100,000 products listed. I don't think it's 100,000 designs. I think it's 100,000 products on their website. And you can't upload more, or maybe you can, but then some of them will become invisible. And then you have to basically delete some of the other ones if you want to make the ones which are invisible, visible again. So I'm not sure really how that will work out. As soon as I have got 100,000 uploaded, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because I don't think that I'll spend all the time to delete the designs which haven't sold, because that's a very active job then, and I want to really have it as passive as possible. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, but it will take a while until I get there anyway. But, this video was really just to sort of motivate you, to show you it works, especially with an upload tool, because you can upload basically as much as you want, and you don't have to spend hours uploading designs. So I'm quite happy with how it works. But I'm actually making sales on Zazzle. I'm still waiting for my first sale on Fine Art America, because I don't know why, but the sales just don't come in on that platform. But actually every other platform works quite well, and I'm quite happy about that. So I think the whole business here is going in the right direction, and I'll keep you posted how it's going. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye.